Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So here we are after 11 hours of flight from Hong Kong to Auckland. Here we are in Auckland in New Zealand. So for the first 2 nights we are putting up at the JW Marriott in Auckland. And I'm using my Suite 9 award and got upgraded to 1 executive suite corner room. So let me give you my first take room tour. Okay, so when I walk in here is a nice corner living room and a small dining table for 2 person. So this is, the suite layout. Actually quite comfortable with the decor, but because it's the corner, so the layout is a little bit interesting. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, JW Marriott, I think it's upside down, but okay, I think I need to change it. Anyway, and then with like 4 bottles of water, a really powerful capsule coffee machine with a milk, full milk and things like that. And then let's check out the minibar. Okay, so pretty good. It's a fully stocked minibar. And the price is over here. Yep. But at least it's fully stocked, which is good. With the proper wine glass, the coffee mug, espresso cup and stuff, and also the kettle. So let me check out how many capsules. Okay, actually, this is what they are using for the tea. Interesting. And they have like 6 capsules. All right. Okay, so let me move. Actually, this is the welcome letter, which I'm going to show to you in 1 second. Okay, so when I walk in here from the main door, as you can see here, it goes straight to this living room and the small dining area. And this is the small corridor, because that's when you walk in for the long corridor. Okay, then it goes the extension of the suite. So this is the area that we put our luggage. And then this is the wardrobe. Okay, let's open the wardrobe. So they have very nice, like 2 bathrobes, iron and iron board, umbrella, good numbers of hangers. And then this is the most interesting thing on the techno gym. Okay, so let's take a look and see what that is. Okay, understand that that is the equipment, and this doesn't look like an equipment. Let me open it and see what is inside. I honestly have not opened it yet. And okay, just maybe yoga mats and things like that. Okay, pretty cool. Let me close it up. And move on. Okay, so let me see if there are more stuff in here. Maybe the deposit box. Okay, the JW Marriott bag is here. The suit bag and the slippers. The nice slippers are here. Okay. And oops. Yep. So this is the safe deposit boxes here. So this is what these 3 drawers have. Okay, let me continue. So this is the bathroom. So they do have the stand-up rain shower, not really rain shower, but a good hat, a shower hat, hopefully with good pressure. So this is the amenities, and they do have a bathtub, a single bathtub, and also only a single sink. I think my husband just used it, so it's not them, but I think this is the one that you have to, open it that way. I don't like this design. But anyway, so this is the amenities, and then the toilet. Okay, now this is the bedroom. So you can see we're on the 6th floor. They don't have a lot, they are not a very high building. And this one, the bedroom is facing the car park opposite to this building. And actually, when I go out, I can show you the living room view is actually the street view. But anyway, let's focus on the bedroom, okay? So again, very comfortable bedrooms, decor with a piece of artwork, nice rug, thick mattress, king coil mattress, nice pillow, fine linens, a TV here and another TV in the living room, and then maybe a work table and a little sofa over here as well. Okay, so this one also doesn't have any view, which I expect because it's in Auckland downtown. But anyways, this is the full room tour. And I will quickly show you in the living room, that's what I said, is actually having the street view. Okay, so last but not least, let me very quickly sit down and show you. They do have the executive club lounge, but I actually opt to go to the restaurant for breakfast, so not taking the 1,000 points. And then what they have is they do have the pool, the gym. Oh, by the way, for parking, it's quite expensive. We do the valet parking, which is $70 per night. Allowed maybe 30 minutes or so for the wait time. Anyway, that's pretty much it for JW Marriott in Auckland. Okay, so we'll be here for 2 nights. We just arrived. We'll be having breakfast here tomorrow morning at the restaurant, and we will visit the executive lounge, and if it's not raining, we will check out the pool and the gym to show you what it's like. So as usual, continue to follow my channel. Thank you.